What are you drawing, Bublu? Buri? Are you painting? Why are you smiling like a blunt one? Are you painting? Which title? What are you drawing? Shivratri. Okay. And Bublu? Always behind to the camera. Smile. What are you painting?
Smile.
You are painting smile. Okay, can you tell a poem, rhyme? Can you tell a rhyme? Tell in Hindi a rhyme. Be smart.
डालो पर दो डालो
जोर से.
दो डालों पर बांधा झूला एक बच्चे सो रही थी बादल आ गया मम्मी चले गया बच्चे डर लग गया पीछे तो सर हो गया
और कुछ भी नहीं जानती?
हाँ
बोलो.
सोता हूँ मैं सोता हूँ हरे रंग का सोता हूँ चोंच मेरी लाल है सुंदर मेरी चाल है बागों में भी रहता हूँ मीठे फल भी खाता हूँ
Wow, great. Again, Buri, can you tell a rhyme or anything? Do you know? You don't know anything. The whole world will see your no. Whole world will see your no. Tell me whatever you know. Very quick, very fast. Decide whatever. Only school. Do you know yourself? No rhymes, no rhymes. Not at all. You have no stock of anything. You are a blunt one. Only memorize and commit to memory and vomit to khata. Nothing else. Mopia, this is not good. Very unfair. You have to send it to Pinky Masi. Tell whatever rhymes you want. No rhymes, nothing you tell, you can tell. No rhymes. Even the baby's one? Twinkle twinkle, you know, don't know. Then why are you telling? I don't know. Speak out.
Twinkle twinkle little star how I wonder what you are up above the world so high like a diamond in the sky
And Hindi rhymes. বাংলা
বাংলা
বাংলা কবিতা বাংলা নিশ্চয়ই পড়ানো হয়, এটা তো বলতে পারবে না, বাংলা নেই, বলো.